In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a video capture device in OBS Studio, perfect for anyone who wants to bring their webcam into the mix and start creating engaging video content. OBS Studio stands for Open Broadcaster Software, and it's a powerful tool many content creators use to record and stream their videos. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned professional, setting up your webcam as a video capture device is a quick process that opens up numerous possibilities for your media projects. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to OBS Studio. If you don't have it installed yet, you can easily download it from the official OBS website, and it's compatible with Windows, Mac, or Linux. Once you've successfully installed and launched OBS Studio, look towards the bottom of your screen for a section labeled Sources. This is the area where you'll be managing all the different video, audio, and media sources you can use in your project. Now, to get started with adding your webcam, you'll want to click the Us icon in the Sources box. This will bring up a list of various input options you can choose from. From this list, select the option called Video Capture Device. A new window will appear prompting you to name this new source. Feel free to call it something like Webcam or any name that helps you identify it later. Once you've named your device, click OK and you'll be taken to a new window where you can configure the settings for this device. Here, you'll see a drop-down list labeled Device. Click this drop-down and select your webcam from the available options. This is an essential step, as selecting the correct webcam ensures that OBS Studio knows which device to pull the video feed from. With the right selection made, you should notice a live preview of your webcam feed appearing on screen in OBS Studio. There are a few settings here that you can tweak to your liking, such as resolution, video format, and FPS, which is frames per second. Adjusting these settings can be crucial for achieving the desired quality and performance. For most users, the default settings work well, but if you're looking to customize further, feel free to experiment and see what looks best for your specific needs. With all your settings configured to your satisfaction, all that's left to do is click OK, and voila! Your webcam has now been added as a video capture device in OBS Studio. This means you're ready to record or live stream using your webcam as part of your setup. Remember, OBS Studio offers a wealth of additional features and customization options, so feel free to explore and experiment as much as you'd like. And that's it. You've successfully set up a video capture device in OBS Studio. Now get out there and start creating your content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy broadcasting.